let us have lettuce. Hi there, this is Big Spruce Rabbitry, and lettuce is a very easy plant to grow in small pots. And today I'll be going around and setting up a bunch more new pots of lettuce and checking ours and making a salad. Hope you enjoy. Last time we were at the dump, we discovered somebody was getting rid of a whole bunch of small pots. Small pots you can't grow a lot in, but lettuce has very small root systems that don't need a lot of space. So small pots are great for doing lettuce in, and since the pots are free, I might as well use them. I'm going to fill the bottoms with rabbit manure and then go get some dirt. Okay, so I'm back with a bucket of dirt. I'm going to distribute it out to these containers. Okay, we've got dirt, rabbit manure in all the pots. I'm going to now transplant some lettuce in. When you're choosing pots to grow lettuce in, you should be thinking about the fact that lettuce is going to need a lot of water and a lot of nutrition. So giving it a lot of rabbit manure and a lot of compost is great. And you also want to choose pots that you will be able to keep watered easily. So some of these pots have false bottoms, or I'm going to keep on the ground near the house where I'm watering stuff all the time. I start new lettuce starts every couple of weeks during the growing season. I've got two different types of lettuce starts that I've started here. These ones are just a standard red and green leaf lettuce, and these ones are a salad mix where I have some things that actually aren't lettuce also in there, but I separate out the lettuce for my pots. Young lettuce that are this small don't really care about you touching their roots, so you can actually just reach in and pull up the little seedlings and then transplant these into the pot. Okay, we have lettuce in all these pots. I'm going to distribute them around the yard and show you some lettuce that I've started earlier. This is some lettuce that I planted about a month and a half ago. Now you can harvest whole heads of lettuce like this head right here, or you can just harvest the outer leaves. And if you just harvest the outer leaves, you can continue harvesting from that lettuce plant for much of the season, meaning you're not constantly having to restart seedlings. So we generally just harvest the outside leaves and let the plants go. Something with lettuce leaves here in Alaska is that we have really long summer days, and that tends to make the plants want to bolt. This lettuce here is starting to bolt, and I've cut off the top to keep the leaves good, but this plant here is going to have to be pulled out and replaced. I pull off these leaves and eat them though. They're kind of bitter. I'm going to feed them to the ducks. I'm going to harvest some of this lettuce and make a salad out of it. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and check out our farm store in the description.